Everyone has always told me, don't do this, don't do that. You're just a child, you don't know what you're doing.
But then I looked around near my house, bus stop, schoolyard, roadside. This is not how it's supposed to be. Why aren't the grown-ups doing something about this?
Maybe there is something I could do. Yes, I want to do something about this.
Mathrubhumi has always been the torchbearer of social change in Kerala. To set an inspiring example in environment conservation, Mathrubhumi initiated SEED, a statewide movement supported by Federal Bank that brings together students and teachers across Kerala to stand up for nature. Having started on June 5, 2009, SEED is currently in its 10th year of activity and has been responsible for a multitude of revolutionary environment conservation programs. Love Plastic, a novel initiative to refuse, reduce, and recycle plastic waste, was launched by late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, on 19 February 2011 that saw active participation from various schools across the state. Season Watch is organized in association with National Center for Biological Sciences Bangalore and Wipro Applying Thought in Schools program. The primary objective of the initiative was to observe the trees to identify their leafing, flowering, and fruiting patterns. Cradle for Turtle campaign is another initiative to promote the welfare of endangered olive ridley sea turtles by creating a conducive environment for them to lay and hatch their eggs. Through the Nattumavin Chotal project, seed schools were actively involved in the protection of native mango varieties. Nakshatra Vanam, an initiative to promote awareness and conservation of trees in school gardens, included 10 selected schools from various districts and one from 4 metro cities of our country. Students were assigned trees according to their birth stars. Seed Reporter program provided basic training in print and video journalism for over 2,500 students. This enabled them to report on various local environmental issues through Mathrubhumi News Channel and Mathrubhumi Daily. Through the Kandal Kakan Kuttikutam project, seed students in Kannur came forth to protect mangrove forests. Mathrubhumi bought 116.50 cents of land situated at Cherukunnu village to be developed into a state-of-the-art mangrove research center. Free the Tree campaign by SEED is an initiative to protect roadside trees from ad boards. SEED's Haritam Aushadam initiative, conducted in association with the State Medicinal Plant Board, is a project initiated for the conservation and protection of medicinal plants in Kerala. Through the SEED program, Mathrubhumi has undertaken 1.5 acres of riverside land at Aluva and constructed an arboretum which currently contains more than 1,000 rare and endangered species of trees and plants. Apart from these, through the participation of students and teachers who worked as organized and dedicated units, SEED has been instrumental in laying the groundwork to create an entire generation responsible for a multitude of phenomenal achievements in environment conservation in Kerala for the last 9 years. SEED has won several accolades at national and international levels and has been recognized as the best environmental project model for inspiring the young generation to be involved in environment protection at the IUCN World Park Congress 2014, conducted in Sydney.
Initially, most of the students were a bit confused. Why do we need to plant saplings? Why do we need to study the life cycle of trees? But I think actually participating in Mathrubhumi SEED was an eye-opener for the ever-present issue, environmental conservation. Now they seem to be proactive and enthusiastic. I am really proud of my students and I thank Mathrubhumi Seed for giving us such an opportunity.
I think this is a very important lesson for the students to love nature and to do their part to protect and conserve nature. Seed has played a vital role in getting next generation conscious about environment and to actively involve them in various environmental activities. All that they have learned through these projects, teamwork, dedication, which will help in turning them into socially responsible citizens and also help them to be productive members of the society.
Seed is not merely the conveyance of knowledge, but a process of learning and transformation. Seed has impressively demonstrated as to how the young minds have internalized environmentally responsible behavior.
Now, thanks to Seed,
All of us can contribute
For the greater good of our society.